Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning videos. In today's quick tips class, I would like to tell you when to use on as a preposition of time. We use on for more specific time periods. For example, days, dates, and holidays. For example, I work on Saturdays. I work on Saturdays. My birthday is on the 10th of April. My birthday is on the 10th of April. Another example, let's have dinner on Christmas Day. Let's have dinner on Christmas Day. So remember, when using on as a preposition of time, it should be used for specific days, dates, and holidays. I hope this tip helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.